Hi everyone. In this video I am going to discuss the stick diagrams, the very important part of the VLSI design. So from the schematic we will get the stick diagram. From the stick diagram we will draw the layout. So let us go into the details of the stick diagrams. So this is a stick diagram's objectives. To know what is meant by stick diagram, to understand the capabilities and limitations of stick diagram, to learn how to draw stick diagrams for a given MOS circuit. So outcomes, at the end of this module, the student will be able to draw stick diagram for simple MOS circuits. So coming to the stick diagrams, VLSI design aims to translate circuit concepts onto silicon. So first of all, we know to represent the schematic. Then from the schematic, we will draw the stick diagram. That is a translation into different color codes. So we have particular color for particular layer. So with that color codes, we are going to translate the schematic, different layers like metal, polysilicon, diffusion, like the different metals to different colors. From that, we will draw the layout. So stick diagram does show all components vias. It shows relative placement of components. It goes one step closer to layout. It helps to plan the layout and routing. So it is one step ahead of the of drawing the layout, one step closer to the layout. So it is in between the schematic and the layout. It is an interface between schematic and layout. So a stick diagram is a cartoon of a layout. It's a rough figure for drawing the layout. So what do stick diagrams show then? So stick diagram does not show exact placements of components. It does not show transistor sizes. It does not show wire lengths, wire widths, stub boundaries, any other lower level details such as parasitics, resistors, capacitors. All these will not be shown, but only the color codes and the easier representation can be shown. So different color codes, like for metal one, blue color, polysilicon red color or orange, N diffusion green color, P diffusion yellow color. So this is NMOS, we all know, N channel enhancement MOSFET. So whenever we see a red over green color, this cross indicates it is a NMOS. So this is gate, we know. So gate is polysilicon, red color. This is diffusion, source and drain, that is green color. So even if I just tilt this, then it is the same way. Two sides we have source and drain, this one is a gate. So vertical cross indicates polysilicon diffusion cross forms a transistor. So this is a transistor. Then what are the rules? When two or more sticks of the same type cross or touch each other, that represents electrical contact. See, this is the electrical contact, same color, touching. Here crossing. Whenever same color cross or touch each other, that represents a contact. So whenever different colors touch or cross each other, that does not mean a contact. If we want to make it contact, we need to put a dot. Then, so we need to have a demarcation line for CMOS. CMOS we have PMOS devices on the pull up and NMOS devices on the pull down. So what is the one which separates P and N devices? That is the demarcation line. So this demarcation line separates P and N devices. So we know for CMOS inverter we have PMOS, that is polysilicon and P diffusion yellow color. So yellow and red cross indicates PMOS, green and red cross indicates NMOS. We have these two transistors. So when a poly crosses diffusion, it represents a transistor. So overall, poly crossing the diffusion, green is diffusion, red is poly. Whenever this is happening, it is a transistor. It is PMOS, it is NMOS. Whenever there is a dot, that indicates it's not at all a transistor. Whenever a contact shown, it does not represent a transistor. Dot is not there, it's absolutely a transistor. So how do we have NMOS inverter stick diagram? We know this is NMOS inverter. Depletion MOSFET, gate and source connected together represents a NMOS. Depletion MOSFET on the pull-up, and this is enhancement MOSFET in the pull-down. So how do we represent a depletion MOSFET with the stick diagram? So this is NMOS, this is also NMOS. So red over green we'll have, red over green. This is also red over green. But this, we need to make this connection to be shown. So for that, this gate is connected to the source. So gate is red color, that is connected to the source. This indicates this connection absolutely. But it is a depletion MOSFET. How do we show a depletion MOSFET? With this implant, yellow color implant shows the depletion MOSFET. If it is not there, simple cross is there, it is an enhancement MOSFET. So different examples using NMOS inverter. So this, we can have these two transistors are in parallel, these two transistors are in series. So series indicates source and drain. Source of one transistor is connected to drain of the other. So source of one transistor is connected to source and drain of one transistor is connected to drain. That is parallel combination. So we know how to draw the schematics. So F is equal to AB whole bar. So that means A, B are in series, A dot B. A dot B means dot indicates series in the pull down. So this is the series connection. So this is for the NAND gate and this is for the NOR gate. NOR gate is A plus B whole bar. So A and B plus means parallel. So this is for some function. So x, y, you should be able to say if you understood the previous concepts, you should be able to say what is this function f representing. Basically it is an inverter. So f is equal to xy. So if you see in line these two, xy, this is parallel connection, xy plus z whole bar. So basically NMOS is an inverter, CMOS is an inverter, so BiCMOS is an inverter, so definitely bar should be there. So f is equal to xy plus z whole bar. So xy in the previous also you can see this is suppose AB. So AB, this is f is equal to AB bar. So that means it's a NAND gate. F is equal to A plus B. This type of connection shows parallel. This type of connection shows series. So on the pull-up, it is common for all these examples, whatever you consider. For NMOS inverter, always pull-up is a depletion MOSFET, gate and source connected. Pull-down changes according to the expression. So this is the stick diagram. So for CMOS inverter, so this is a PMOS on the pull-up, NMOS on the pull-down. So we can draw red over yellow, and this one is a green over on green, red color. So overall red is joined because both the gates are joined together to apply input, both the drain are joined together to take the output. So these are taken, and source is connected to VDD, source of NMOS is connected to ground. So that connection we can see. So this is a stick diagram. So like this we can draw the stick diagrams for different functions. So if we draw like this, this type of thin type of sticks, we call that as a stick diagram. If you draw with the dimensions using lambda rules or micron rules, then we call that as a layout. So hope you all understood. Thank you, one and all.